Python Programming Fundamentals, Part 1. So, what's there in our agenda for this session? We will try to cover the following topics here. What is Python? Why Python? What Python can do? Installing Python. Writing your first line of code in Python. Let's begin with a simple question: what is Python? So, Python is a popular high-level programming language, known for its simplicity and readability. Now you may ask, what is high-level programming language? Well, a high-level programming language is a programming language that is designed to be easily understood and written by humans. It provides a higher level of abstraction compared to low-level programming languages, which are closer to the hardware and require more detailed instructions. Python was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python emphasizes code readability and offers a clean and straightforward syntax, making it a popular choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Now let's move on to the second question: why Python? To understand that, we need to see that one of the key advantages of Python is its versatility. It can be used for a wide range of applications, such as web development, data analysis, scientific computing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and scripting. Python's flexibility and extensive ecosystem make it a powerful tool for various domains and purposes. The third point is what Python can do. Well, Python programming language can help us to do the followings. Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also read and modify files. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production-ready software development. Now let's talk about what are the steps to install the Python, to begin writing and running code on it. To install Python on your computer, follow these steps. Visit the official Python website. Go to https://www.python.org/ in your web browser. Choose the Python version. On the Python website, you'll see the latest Python version available for download. You can either choose the latest stable version or select a specific version based on your requirements. Select the installer, scroll down the page, and choose the installer appropriate for your operating system. Python supports Windows, macOS, and various Linux distributions. For Windows, select the executable installer that matches your system architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. For macOS, download the macOS installer package, .pkg, compatible with your version of macOS. For Linux, choose the appropriate installer package for your distribution. Alternatively, you can use the package manager provided by your Linux distribution to install Python. Run the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, locate the file and run it. Follow the installation wizard's instructions and make sure to check the option to add Python to the system path. This allows you to use Python from any location in the command prompt terminal. Verify the installation. After the installation is complete, open a command prompt, Windows, or terminal, macOS Linux, and type Python version, without quotes, to check if Python is installed correctly. You should see the version number displayed. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python on your computer. You can now start writing and executing Python code. Next is how we can start writing the code in Python. To write your first line of code in Python, follow these steps. Open a text editor. You can use any text editor of your choice, such as Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, macOS, Sublime Text, Atom, Visual Studio Code, or any other editor that supports plain text. Start a new file. Create a new file in your text editor by selecting File New or by pressing Ctrl+N, Windows Linux, or CMD+N, macOS. Write your code. In the new file, type the following line of code. Print, hello, world. This line of code instructs Python to print the text hello, world, to the console. Save the file. Save the file with a .py extension, such as first_program.py. Choose a memorable location on your computer to save the file. Run the program. Open a command prompt, Windows, or terminal, macOS Linux. Navigate to the directory where you saved the Python file using the cd command. Execute the code. In the command prompt or terminal, type the following command to run the Python script. Python first_program.py. Observe the output. After executing the command, Python will run your code, and you should see the output hello, world, printed in the console. That's it. This is how we begin with Python programming language. In the next session we will discuss other aspects.